What is going on, guys? Today I got me this thing called the DigiBox D6 Max. Now, I just want to let you know that this video may get taken down because some information on here I probably shouldn't be sharing with you guys, but we're gonna try to talk through it because this is what I've been using for the past 2 weeks. Yeah, for the past 2 weeks I've been using this thing, and it's been one of the best box that I have seen out there. Basically, guys, this thing right here, in summary, it runs an Android OS. You can download Android app on this thing, but really there's only like 3 apps that I download, and it takes care of everything for me. You don't really need to download Netflix or anything like that either, which I'll explain later on. But yeah, right now I just want to show you what comes in the box. Okay, so it comes with a USB-C, which I've already plugged in and everything. It comes with HDMI. Then it also comes with this remote, which we will go into details later. In the back here, you got yourself 2 USB-A, a Ethernet, HDMI, which that's what it is for, optical if you use that, and then the USB-C is for power. On the front, there is a LED, which you see here when you plug it in. It gives you all sorts of information, but honestly, I don't really use this at all because this is behind my cabinet anyway, so I don't see any of those information, so it doesn't matter to me. Okay, so that's the gist of it right there. What we're going to do is I'm going to plug this thing in, and I'm going to show you exactly what this thing does. I've been using this thing for 2 weeks, and it's been amazing. It's one of the best purchases that I would say that you can do. And I want to thank DigiBox, by the way, for reaching out to me and sending this to me. I did not know what this is at all when they sent this one to me, but so far this is one of my best tech that I have in this house right now. Anyhow, let's get to it. All right, guys, so first thing first, I just want to let you guys know that this is a bona fide everything box. Everything box. You've got everything that happens to be streaming on here, okay? So just wrap your head around that really quickly. All right, so first off, what you want to do is you would want to go to the app right here. One of the there's a bunch of stores that you can see. There's the App Store, there's a Google Play Store. I believe there's another one right here as well. There's a Emotion Store. Yeah, I believe those are all the stores right there. So yeah, they have like a few different stores. The one store that you need to do is this one right here. This is the App Store right here. So with this App Store, there's tons of stuff on here. The couple of things that you want to download right away, and depending on also like what your needs are, the first one is the Cat TV Plus. Then there's also the Cat Live. Awesome. If you're into Asian, Cat Asia will give you all the China, Hong Kong, all that good stuff over there. There's the JCat, which stands for like Japanese, right? Cat VOD, Cat Hot. Don't touch that. Then there's the Cat Tele, okay? That's like Spanish channel. All the Spanish stuff goes in there. So the ones that I downloaded was Cat TV Plus, Live, Asia, and JCat VOD. So those are the ones that I downloaded. Now, obviously, if you look at this, there's plenty of other ones on here, okay? It's got Prime, it's got YouTube, it's got Skype. Yeah, I know. Tubi, I recommend downloading Tubi because it's free TV, Paramount Plus, that kind of stuff, okay? And so you're like, what else do they have on here? Well, there's Disney Plus, Netflix is down there, and obviously, like I told you before, there's Hulu and YouTube and things like that, okay? But if you're gonna do YouTube, do SmartTube. That's the one that I would do if instead of doing regular YouTube. Do the SmartTube. That one clears out all the interface, gives you pretty much ad-free kind of play. That one right there, I recommend. All right. Yeah, there's also a VLC as well for you to play your own, all that good stuff. If you want to host your own VOD, that's there as well. Okay. Now that's over with. Let's explore my top 3 apps. And I'm only going to talk about these top 3 apps because these are the ones I've been playing with. All right. Okay, so first I want to explain to you guys what the differences between all of these are. I've already told you about Cat Asia, which is, a bunch of Hong Kong stuff, China stuff, Taiwanese if you're into Taiwanese, right? So yeah, I'm trying to update the Cat TV right now. So that's what really, that's it. Cat Live is basically live stuff like sports, whatever, live TV, like your local channel. If you're like me, you're watching Channel 5, Channel 8, ABC, that kind of stuff live, and you want it live, that's where you would go right there. That's an all-in-one live app for you. Now, Cat TV Plus is a different beast. Cat TV Plus is a combo of Cat Live and Cat VOD. Okay, I'm not sure why they call it Cat, to be honest with you. Yeah, not sure why. It's just that, yeah, it has live TV in there, but then it also has replay up here. It has movies, it has kids stuff, it has TV series. So check this out, okay? I'm just gonna quickly show you this. I mean, movies, look at this. You got movies that are just free to watch. Pretty amazing stuff here. There's Wicked for Good over there. And then you can pick your region. I mean, you're talking about like Mexico, Europe, Japan. If you want Netflix, it's got it on here. If you're on Disney Plus, that's what D Plus is. So let's say, for instance, if I were to go in here and I click on D Plus, okay? Now you're diving deep down into this, and as you can see, you got VOD that's playing on Disney Plus right now. You see where I'm getting at here? I mean, this app right here alone is worth the entire box. So those are all the VOD stuff, right? So those are movies. Now you're talking about TV series. I mean, it's got everything under the sun right here. Everything under the sun. Look, there's tons of K-drama stuff going on here too. I didn't even know that. And I've been surfing this thing for like 2 weeks, right? You got yourself kids stuff. If you want kids, animation is pretty much, Japanese anime-ish kind of things. There's animation also has Disney Plus cartoon too. Yeah, so this one right here, Japanese anime. There's tons of them on here. Again, on the top right there, you see that right now I'm looking at Netflix. D Plus, you know what that is. Now we got HBO. Yeah, I mean, everything that you want is on here, guys. And there's no login or anything like that. No login or anything like that, all right? Once again, I'm telling you, this video might get taken down, so if you're seeing this video, good for you. But yeah, this thing has everything under the sun. I can't believe that and I didn't log in or anything like that at all. You just plug the box in and download this app, that's it. Okay, so that right there is Cat TV Live, okay, Cat TV Plus, okay? Now, when you go over to the live piece of it, this right here, if you just want live stuff, I mean, you're talking about TV series, movies, things that are playing right now, local stuff. So I can watch ABC from Connecticut if I want. There's just tons of stuff. Now, if I want to change channel, here you can see that I got all the ABC in every single city that I want. Then they got movies, that's live currently. So you got Cinemax, HBO, everything under the sun, HBO Family, whatever it is. Guys, this list is endless right here. And I'm just holding down the down button right here. You got every single thing. Look at this. Music. MTV, if that's still around. I'm not sure if that's still around. Anyway, yeah, you got everything that has to do with music. Then you got kids stuff, 24/7 stuff, which is, UFC, pay-per-view stuff, by the way, WWE Network. I know some of you guys are into that kind of stuff. Sports, you're a sports freak, this is where it's at right here. You got everything, Fox Sports, ESPN, everything that you want to watch. You want to watch, like, for instance, F1 or something like that. Anyway, everything is on here. Just amazing stuff. Then the PPV stuff. I'm not really into the PPV stuff, by the way, but there are stuff that's going on right now. And then NBA season. Now, the cool part about this is there's NBA Network, but then there's also, if you want to pick your favorite team, so here's NBA 24. It has a Mavs logo on there. It got the Chicago logo on the NBA 23. It doesn't really name it. It just shows you the logo. And everything, if it's going on right now, if I click on that, it's saying then during non-game time, there's nothing for you to view. So anyway, that's Cat Live right there. Like I said, if you're into sports and stuff like that, you probably want the Cat Live stuff. And then there is the Cat Asia. All right. So this is my top three right here. Cat Asia, because I watch a lot of K-drama, Taiwanese stuff, especially TVB, which is really hard to come by. Well, here it is. TVB. This is BBC Earth, actually. That is in China. I didn't know that existed. Anyhow, here you go. So right now I'm in the Hong Kong market, okay? And everything on here is Hong Kong. So here's TVB right here, which if you guys watch Hong Kong stuff, you know what TVB is. Then there's tons of other things, all right? So I'm not gonna go through that, but that's my favorite one right there. Korea, obviously there's Korea, KBS, 1, 2, you know, all the stuff that you notice that people are watching in Korea. This is South Korea right here, everything. Thailand, India, I mean, so it pretty much breaks it down into different countries, right? Here's Vietnam right here, tons of these stuff. Malaysia, if you're into Malaysia, that channel is being repaired. By the way, this does happen a lot, by the way, where it tells you that, hey, a channel is being repaired. I'm not sure what that even means, to be honest with you. So here's one of them. All these are, yeah, so that's one of the things that I do notice is that there's a lot of that where channels being repaired and things like that. Here's one that's actually live right now. Indonesia, Australia, didn't know that, you know, that's on here too. Okay, let's exit this baby. So yeah, so those are my top three right there. Obviously, you guys can explore more yourself. Like JCat was Japanese, got a bunch of stuff over there. I accidentally downloaded this one. This is Tele, which is Spanish over there. But yeah, it's been fantastic. This whole app right here literally gives you everything under the sun that you didn't even think that you need. And this one right here, all those three apps right there alone is worth the price of this box right here. So anyway, guys, I just wanted to let you guys know that. Didn't know I needed this until I downloaded it. It's been amazing. Amazing.